Hello and welcome to AI Journals. Today we're going to look at how to create videos using AI. And today the AI tools we're going to look at is InVideo AI. It's a fantastic tool. So what you just come here, if you haven't got an account, I have a link on the description box below where you can sign up, get your own account for free. Now you just log in into your account, and once you log in into your account, you go to your home page, and then on your home page you create AI video from the scratch, and it brings you to this window here. And then on here you decide what you want to do. So I say, for instance, create a short video. So you click on that one, and then here you're going to give an instruction to InVideo AI what you want to do. So I've just said create 7 types of agents in artificial intelligence. And here you have the option to choose your background music, the language. You can choose any language as long as it's on here, subtitles. So I always like to choose add clean subtitles with outline. It comes out very beautifully. And then you got the voice. You can have the option to choose the voice. Here I'm going to choose a female voice, and then you have the option to choose different accents as well. So I'm just going to say young British voice, and then watermark text is what you're going to sign out as. So I'm just going to say at AI Journals, which is the name of our channel. And then you choose the music, what sort of music that you would like. I just leave it, use the best audio available. And then once you've done all that, you click on continue, and it's given us a breakdown of all the instructions we have given. If you're not happy, you can change it from here, but I'm quite happy with this. I'm just going to say generate a video. And once you click on generate a video, InVideo AI on the background, we go through the instructions that you have given, analyze the instruction, and it gets straight into work. Okay. Now it's done it, and all you just need to do, you click on stock media, and then you decide the length. So because this is a short, it gives us options of 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 1 minute. So I'm just going to choose 45 seconds. And then audiences, you can choose different types of audiences. Here I can choose tech enthusiasts. If your target audience is AI students, you can choose that as well, or general public. And then finally, you choose the platform where you would like the video to go. So this is targeted at YouTube Shorts, so I would leave it at YouTube Shorts. Once you've done all that, you just click on continue, and then this is the last stage of our creation. Okay, the InVideo is now going through all the models, creating the best suitable music, creating the best suitable images, and putting everything together to create our video. So our video, we have images on it, it will have voice on it, it will have subtitles on it. I mean, this is mind-blowing. Okay, so it's done all its things. Let's see what we've created. I'll just click on play.
Discover 7 types of AI agents in just 60 seconds. First up, we have reactive machines. Think of them as the reflexes of AI, responding to immediate situations without memory. Then there's limited memory. These guys learn from the past to make better decisions. Next, we have theory of mind AI, which understands emotions and human interactions. Fourth, meet self-aware AI, the future dream, AI that's conscious. Fifth, the simple chatbots, your digital assistants in everyday tasks. Sixth, autonomous vehicles, our smart drivers on the road. And finally, collaborative robots or cobots designed to work alongside humans. Amazing, right? Hit subscribe for more AI insights. Remember to like and share with your tech-loving mates.
I'm really excited about this. I'm telling you, this AI tool. So yeah, that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We have beautiful videos about AI agents and what they can do on the channel. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments if there's anything you would like us to improve about, or if there's any suggestions you have, or if you have any questions. If you're struggling with this at all, I'm very happy to help. So make sure you stick around, and make sure you keep the notification bell, because that's how you get notification each time we upload a new video. You see, I'm so excited about this AI, because I saw it's all like the internet revolution coming back again in a different form. So you don't want to be standing by, but you want to be involved and see how we can use these new tools, to make life better, to be more efficient in everything we are doing, and save the time to do other things, spend time with our family and everything else you could do with spare time. So it's your boy MC Jonas. I'll see you on the next one. Live from London.